Are you ready to get productive with OneNote? If you have a device that comes with a digital pen like my Surface Pro, then the page in OneNote is your digital piece of paper. Whenever you want to start taking notes or drawing, just put your pen to the screen and OneNote will see that as an inking device and it will start drawing on the page for you. Click on the Draw menu at the top of OneNote to select different pen, colours and sizes. On the side of your pen, you may find a button, like this one here has a right-click button on the side of the pen. And if you press and hold that button, you can circle around your content to select it. That's called a lasso select tool. So if I wanted to move something or resize it on the screen, I can just select it with my pen and then move it somewhere else. The back of the pen is also an eraser. So just turn it around and it will erase a whole stroke of ink at a time. If you're taking handwritten notes, you'll find it easier to click on the View menu at the top and click on Rule Lines. Put some lines onto your page. That will look more like your paper notebook and it will also help the handwriting recognition results. You may also find it handy to go into full screen mode when you're taking notes or drawing. Look for this button in the corner of the canvas in OneNote. You can also rotate the screen around into portrait mode and you should find that OneNote automatically goes into full screen mode for you. You can get out of full screen mode again by clicking on the full screen button in the corner of the canvas. So start drawing, sketching and taking notes on your OneNote page with your digital pen and get productive with OneNote.